Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be doing a purse review on one of the purses that I actually got for a Christmas gift from my boyfriend. Thank you very much, Didi. But this purse is the Poléne Paris, the Numero 8 Mini in the color gray. But before we even get started into this good old video, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click that red button down below. Join the TAM KAM fam, and let's get started into this good old video. I feel like I said that so damn quick. So like I said, I am going to be reviewing and doing a what fits in my bag with the Poléne Paris Numero 8 Mini in the color gray. First of all, before we even get into the bag comes in this nice little dust bag. If you have not already seen my previous video on my Numero Huit Mini handbag, one thing I love about Poléne Paris is the fact that they do come in dust bags. They are a lower end of luxury handbags, very affordable if you do want to get into luxury designer handbags. But they come in these in a nice wool, very thick dust bag, way better than any of my high-end designer type of dust bags for sure. So let's get into the handbag itself. So this is the Numero 8 Mini in the size gray. I love it, super duper cute. So I have a bunch of notes here on my bag so I do not miss any type of points. So this handbag, it retails for $290 and it comes straight from Paris. They only have one store, I believe, in Paris, which is really nice. When you do buy something from this brand, you know that it's coming from Paris and nowhere else. So it retails for $290. This handbag is made of full grain calf leather all around, and it does have a suede lining inside. And I'm not sure if you can see, but it does says Poléne Paris inside of the bag, if you can see. So it's very detailed. And the dimensions of this handbag, it is 7.5 inches long, 7 inches in width, and 7 inches in depth. And as far as with the strap length of the bag, so when you go from the strap, starting from the handle up here, it is 17 inches on the longest setting. And then from here to here, I believe it's 20 inches. So definitely have a lot of room to go for. And it is a drawstring type of handbag, okay? So you can actually use this as a crossbody if you like to, or you can actually use this as a top handle. Now one thing, one con about this bag is that you cannot remove the strap off of this bag. So if you do want to use it as a top handle, unfortunately the strap would just hang there. I don't really recommend tucking the straps inside because it may take up a good bit of the space inside of the bag since this is the mini one. Let's go ahead and talk about the good detailing of this bag. So I'm going to do a little bit of an up close so you guys can see the handbag really good. So one thing I do love about the handbag is just the whole structure of the bag, of how it's kind of like, it almost looks like a flower in a sense. It is a drawstring that comes all the way up, nice and tight, and it's like this. So there is never any type of real closure here, but I mean, no one can really get into this bag because it's very tiny opening. For the hardware on this bag, they do have a gold plated hardware with this gray color handbag. Now to say this is gray, it does give me kind of like a taupey-ish vibe. It's definitely not a regular gray that it says, because I have gray things around me. Like for instance, this fleece is gray and this is not gray, but they say it's gray. So that is one thing to keep in mind, that even though it says it's gray, it's not a true gray. It's more of almost a taupe in a sense. But yeah, so the detailing of this bag, they do have the logo of Poléne Paris here. I just love the detailing of Poléne Paris. They do have the logo on the buttons, if it can focus for me a little bit. Okay, so it does have the logo of the Poléne Paris on the buttons here and on the back, if you can see it really good. And like I said, they do have the Poléne Paris logo inside. Not really sure if the camera will pick it up too good, but they do. And then they also have feet on the bottom of the bag, which is really nice if you don't like your bag directly touching something, even though I mean it will eventually from the bottom. But I do love a handbag with some little cute feet. And they do have the Polene logo on each one of the little feet there. So I actually worn this bag I think twice already, y'all. I love this bag. This bag is so freaking cute. Just to say that it is very great quality and 100% leather. One thing I just don't like is the fact that you can't really move this top handle, so it's just always going to sit in the middle. You can't really move it from the sides if you wanted to, because you'll start bending the edges here, so it just stays like that. So that's only a con that I don't like. I love the crossbody, even though I kind of wish I can detach it, but it's okay because I am a crossbody girl, and if I do want to wear a top handle, I do not mind having the straps hanging like this. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my body frame. I am 5'2", 5'3"-ish, just to see, and then I put it on, it is on the third button here, which is that's how it came, so I didn't really adjust it. So this is where pretty much the bag stops at for me. The top handle pretty much stops at my waist here, which is a very good length for me. It's not too long, it's not too short. I love it a lot. And if y'all do want to know where I got this sweatshirt from, this is actually from Graceful. I will leave the link down below with this handbag. But yes, it's not too long, not too short at all, which I like. It fits my body frame completely. So now let's see exactly what can fit inside of this handbag. So I'm going to go ahead and just release the drawstring out a little bit. And you can open up it like pretty wide, a nice size here. I do consider this handbag kind of like a black hole in a sense, just because they do not have any type of pockets. They won't have any type of organization when you do put stuff in here. So I would not pile up this bag to the brim, because you would have to take everything out in order to find whatever you're trying to find at the bottom of this bag. So the first thing I'm going to put in here is my key case, my wallet, my coin pouch, my cell phone, which this is a Galaxy 10. So already this is what it's looking like inside. It's already pretty snug. That's like my essentials right there. But I still have some room in there. So let's continue. So my face mask, which still going through it, 2021. It's okay. My hand cream, my sanitizer, and that's really, I wouldn't put any more stuff in here, just because, like I said, it will get kind of tight when it's time to go and get certain things out of here. I don't want to put anything way up to the top, because then it'll just be pointless. Now to see, I'm going to take some things out because I really want to see if my mini pochette will fit in here, because I know some people do have those, like those mini catch-alls type of bags. So I didn't take everything out of here. I still have my wallet, my hand cream and stuff like that. So I have my mini pochette here. Let's see if it'll fit. So I feel like you kind of have to bend this pochette a little bit to fit in here with other things in here. Let's see here. And the mini pochette is empty, so okay, so it fits in here. It sticks out a little bit, but it fits. That's nice to know. So I may still use it as a catch-all in this bag. Now I do have this other catch-all bag that I've been using. This is like a cosmetic bag that I got from Ulta. This, I feel like if you have something that's a catch-all and it has like kind of like stiff edges like this one, where it's not as squishy and bendable as the mini pochette, it's not gonna fit. It's not, y'all. Like, there is no room, okay? It's not wide enough for this bag, so it's not gonna fit. So if you do want to use like a catch-all bag, definitely suggest using something that is bendable and squishy, that can bend inside of there. But if it's super duper stiff, that's a no-go, because you do not want anything too stiff in here where it's going to be like poking through the bag, because then it'll just start leaving like little dents in the bag, which you do not want that. So it does fit a pretty good amount of items in here, pretty much my daily essentials. That's all I really need, because you know, the bigger the bag you go, the more crap that you put in there. So this is definitely a perfect size bag for me. Now they do have another size of this bag, the regular size. Not really sure how that looks in person, because that looks kind of too big for me. But this one is perfect for me. And if you do love small handbags, you will love this too. Especially, I just love the uniqueness of the bag. It's very, very different. Now, another thing I would watch out for with these handbags, especially having a light color one like this, is definitely, I am going to watch out for color transfer when I do wear like jeans and stuff like that. Because I feel like with any color, well, with any type of light color handbag, no matter the designer, you are at risk for having color transfer with handbags. And I do not want to have that with this handbag at all, because I do not know how to remove that. So I want to just prevent it all cases. And then another thing that you actually want to watch out for, because this is a light color suede lining inside, you do want to watch out, you know, for scratches, and make sure you do not spill anything, any type of open pins, pretty much color transfer from other things, lipsticks and all of that inside. So I would put any type of items that have color, like lipsticks, glosses and all of that, inside of a catch-all bag, and then put it into here, because you do not want to ruin the bag. Okay, but other than that, I love this bag, y'all. Like I said, I wore it at least once, I think twice, but when I wore it, like, people love this bag. I got so many compliments on this bag, y'all. Love it so much. But that completes my full detailed review on this handbag and what actually fits in this handbag, so you guys know if you do want to actually purchase this handbag, you can see what fits in this bag, if it will work for you, or if you do need the regular bigger size. But I definitely love Poléne Paris. This is, now I have 3 of them. They also sell accessory pieces like coin purses and wallets. I said I would get that probably, I don't really know. I have too many damn coin purses and wallets, I ain't gonna lie. I got too many of everything. But it's a girl's best friend. But yes, you guys, so that completes my full review on this handbag. I will list down all the information down below in the description box, along with this sweatshirt if you are interested in this. I love this sweatshirt, y'all. So this completes my review on my beautiful newest Poléne Paris Numero 8 Mini. I hope you did actually enjoy this good old review video and what fits in my bag. And if you did enjoy this good old video, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up, and click the red button down below if you have not already. Subscribe to this channel, support a sis, and click that bell button so you can be notified every single time when I post a new video. Bye, guys.